The plane crashed during a test flight and was on lease to Seattle-based Raisbeck Engineers. King 5's Julie Calhoun joins us live in studio with the latest on what we're learning tonight. Julie.
Steve, Greg, tonight the Snohomish County Medical Examiner releasing the names of the 4 men killed. Those names are 33-year-old Nathan Precup from Seattle, 49-year-old Nate Lachendro from Gig Harbor, 52-year-old Scott Brenneman from Roy, Washington, and 67-year-old David Newton of Wichita, Kansas. The manner of death for all of them ruled an accident. Last Friday, 4 men killed in a tragic plane crash east of Harvey Airfield in Snohomish. 2 test pilots, a flight test director, and an instrumental engineer died. A heartbreaking scene for Ken Baxter, who saw it all from his kitchen window.
You know, you can't help them. You think, God, I wish I just reached out there and pulled them out of that plane.
They all worked for Raisbeck Engineers, an aircraft modification company. One of the men killed, Scott Brenneman, was also a chief pilot for Kenmore Air. The seaplane company sharing a statement on its Facebook saying that Scott had flown for the company since 2006 and was a loving father of 3, a devoted husband, and a friend to many. Raisbeck's president said in a statement Wednesday, "Our hearts go out to the families of all involved in this tragic accident. At this time, Raisbeck is unable to share details regarding the flight. Raisbeck will continue to cooperate with the NTSB as it conducts its investigation. We request everyone to respect the family's privacy during this difficult time." The NTSB says the right wing separated while the plane was in the air. The wing was found about 200 yards from the plane. The crash happened during a test flight leaving Renton to collect baseline data before modifying the plane. The pilots each had 10,000 test flight hours. Raisbeck says this is the first fatal test flight in the company's 40-year history. The NTSB says it's collecting maintenance records and information about the pilot's licenses, ratings, and history. The agency says its investigation is expected to take at least a year, but it will likely have a preliminary report ready in a couple of weeks.